Today, we'll be going over how to install the EcoHitch on your Volkswagen Golf R. To start, open the hatch of the vehicle and use a plastic pry tool to remove the taillight trim panels from both sides of the vehicle. Then, unfasten the two bolts securing the taillights, pull them off, and unclip the harness. Next, unfasten the rear fender liner screws along the rear bumper on both sides of the vehicle. Peel back the fender liner to expose the screw located towards the top of the bumper cover on both sides of the vehicle. Next, unfasten the fender liner bolt located on the bottom of the vehicle and repeat for both sides. Then unfasten the two screws and remove the plastic clips located at the bottom of the bumper cover. Next, unclip the rear bumper cover by carefully pulling it outwards. Unplug the wiring harness attached to the passenger side of the bumper cover and place the bumper in a safe location. Unfasten the factory nut located next to the backing sensor on the passenger side of the rear cross member. Then unfasten all 8 bolts on the rear cross member and remove the cross member from the vehicle. Install the hitch in place of the rear cross member over the holes in the frame and adjust as needed. Thread the provided hardware through the hitch into the factory holes. Insert the coiled end of the bolt fisher up into the rearmost hole in the bottom of the frame and through the hitch support bracket. Guide the bolt fisher out through the back of the frame and trailer hitch. Gently pull on the straight end of the bolt fisher until the threads of the bolt protrude down through the frame. Remove the bolt fisher and place the rest of the hardware onto the bolt. If equipped, remove the license plate from the car. Mark and cut out the measured dimensions displayed in the instructions to provide an access port to your hitch. There will be a provided booklet for the flip kit installation as well. Once that is done, reinstall the factory components onto your vehicle, excluding the factory cross member.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.